there are many fast selling and winning e-commerce products out there. Okay, so you could actually source some and start making money online. And if you've been wondering, or if you've been looking for those hot selling, winning e-commerce products that you can actually lay your hands on and start making huge profits, this is a video for you. Okay, so there are lots and lots of winning products out there. It's just all about you discovering these hot selling products and making huge gains from them. And making gains with these products is all about you getting to know what actually sells very well. Winning product that people are ready to buy, because there's a huge difference between you buying or getting orders and the customers not being able to pick up their packages. But this product I'm going to mention in this video are products that customers are willing and ready to buy. They will place order, they are ready to get this product. And aside that, having winning e-commerce product could just be your secret to making as much profit as possible. The list of products I've put in this video have actually made me as much as 500k to 1 million monthly and sometimes weekly. And I've been doing this for the past few years. Okay, and if you can, some of these products, you can source them locally or you can import from China. But you importing from China gives you that higher margin or that profit margin, because when you import from China, it's way cheaper than what you get from our local market here. Okay, so, but if you don't know about importing from China, that's no problem. I have a video on somewhere on the screen where I showed you how to source product cheaply from China and import to Nigeria without much stress. Okay, but if you're a beginner and you don't know how to source from China, no problems then. All you just have to do is just play the role of a middleman for some time. Then when you learn how to import from China, you can actually make as much profit as possible. Okay, so welcome back to my channel. This is Francis Eze, and if this is your first time of coming to my channel, you are highly welcome. And if you are a returning viewer, you're also so much welcome. Okay, so, and I will indulge you to like this video, click the bell notification icon, and also subscribe so that whenever I drop hot content like this on how to make money online, you could actually be among the first to be notified. Okay, so back to what we were saying. Making as much money online as possible using this hot selling e-commerce product I'm going to mention in this video. Okay, so if you can't import from China, all you just have to do is go out there on the local market or online marketplaces like Gigi and Jumia and all that. You could be able to see good products and at a very cheap price. Okay, buy these products, head right online, apply some good marketing skills, and make as much sales as possible. Then remember, don't be confused with a product that gives you so many orders, yet you cannot have so many of those orders delivered. It's better you focus on the products that give you as good orders as possible, and at least you can boast of 40 to 70% successful deliveries from those products. Because in the past, I've tried to sell some products which are actually they are high in demand. They are high in demand in quotes, because once you put out those products online that you want to sell them, you get tons and tons of orders. But what happens at the end? Some of those customers are not ready, or they don't have the money, or they are coming from the low finance class set. Okay, because oftentimes they just order out of what they feel like they want, but they don't have the money to pay. So, but the product I'm going to list in this video are products that I've been selling for the past 2 years plus, and they've been giving me 6 figures every week consistently, and customers are willing to place order, pay any amount that you charge them, provided that your product is effective and all that. So without wasting much of your time, let's head right into the video. The first product is health and wellness product. This is evergreen product, always selling. Okay, and one thing I like this niche for, or this product for, is the fact that the customers are always willing to pay any amount you put this product, provided that your product works. So the health and wellness product, the weight loss tea, the weight loss cream, the weight loss wears, the, let's say, men enhancement product, it sells like anything. Okay, high level of profit. You make as much money as possible. The profit margin is good. So that under the health and wellness products, like I mentioned earlier, the weight loss section, then the VJ, trying to tighten the VJ, you know what I'm talking about, and also trying to keep it clean, all those VJ orders and all those health products that has to do with health issues, quick ejaculation products and solutions. So all those products under health and wellness, they sell very, very well and very, very good. Okay, so the next one, the number 2 high in demand and winning and fast selling product is cosmetic products. Okay, and what are cosmetic products? These are all products or solutions or remedies, both herbal or orthodox ones, that can actually help an individual, enhance their look, look better, look fresher, and all that. Okay, and these products, ranges from examples of these products: whitening creams, body enhancement products, maybe boob increment or butt increment. All those products, they sell really, really well. And also the bed growing and bed grooming oils, they sell massively. And one thing I like about this cosmetic product is that it gives you returning customers. Okay, so you may not have to waste or spend so much on ads for you to get returning sales and more recurring sales. This set of customers in this niche, they come back because cosmetic product is what you keep using over and over again. Once it finishes, you place a new order and all that. And if you are able to have a product that works very well for any specific cosmetic solution that you are providing, trust me, you have tons and tons of sales and you make as much profit as possible. And you can put your product at any price, and believe me, these people, they buy. So without wasting your time, let's head right to the next product, the third one, which is electronic gadgets and accessories. Okay, we are now in digital stage, and most persons spend almost all their day online, and not just spend their time online. They want to have a quality experience with whatever online platform that they engage with. So they make use of good earbuds. They need earbuds or audio accessories. Then they also need good phones and all that. So electronic products sells very well. And aside that, many persons are in this attitude of, or many youths at the moment are in this attitude of trying to impress their peers or their group, trying to show off the latest gadget they have and all that. So all those electronic gadgets, smartwatch, smart bracelet, phones, power banks, earbuds, anything smart, it sells very, very well. Okay, so, and you get returning customers on this, because unlike the health niche, in as much as you may get returning customers on the health niche, but if you provide a good solution on the health niche, you will know that once a customer uses the product and gets their problem gone, they won't come back to buy. Okay, so but cosmetic niche or product and electronics and gadgets product, they actually have tons and tons of returning customers. Okay, and they're actually easy to sell. You don't have to have super marketing skills and all that for you to be able to make good sales with them. Okay, so having known these 3 products or these 3 different niches, you can actually make as much as 500 to 1M every month comfortably. It's now left for you to go out there, source the product. Either you import from China or you source from local markets around at very low price, then sell at a very good profitable price. Okay, so and you make as much money as possible. Do e-com products work? They work very well. Do people make a lot of money using e-com products? Yes, people still make millions of naira every week. So all you just have to do is to go out there, get started, and start making as much money as possible. Okay, so having stayed with me in this video up to this moment, I would indulge you to like this video, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon so that whenever I drop hot content like this on how to make money online, you can actually be among the first to be notified. Okay, so thank you for watching and see you next time.